Holidays can be busy, and of course, we're gonna go all out this year. But for those in-between meals, I think it's the perfect opportunity to take store-bought items and spice them up with holiday flavors. It's gonna save us a lot of time. Buy a few convenience items that you can customize for quick meals. That was super easy. These are the keys to our holiday flavor. Pre-made biscuit dough is super versatile. You gotta love that pop. Add your favorite flavors, citrus zests, nuts, dried fruit, the list goes on. And just like that, they're in the oven. Look at all the time I saved. Adding even more holiday flavor with an orange rosemary glaze. The possibilities are endless. You do you. Add whatever flavors you want. And they're so easy you can make them any time of year. Spice up some store-bought soup with your own homemade toppings. Cube up your bread. Go the long way, go the vertical way, make some cubes. We add salt, we add garlic powder, and toss this in butter. Done. Bread has turned into a crunchy delight. Crouton. Look at how beautiful. It looks delicious. Dinner can also be quick and customized. You know I love quick pasta dishes, and this one might be my fastest yet. So these little guys are gonna cook in the exact same amount of time that it takes to make a sage brown butter sauce. Perfect. Let's add some greens. And voila! Dinner is served.